Alright guys, we just got back from Ocean Cay. There were a few things that we figured out while we were on the island, so I'm going to give you 5 tips on what to do when you're on Ocean Cay. So let's go find out what they are. Ocean Cay was by far a highlight of my MSC cruise. But, as you can see, there's not a lot of shade and it gets very hot. So I'm going to give you 5 tips that I figured out during my stay on Ocean Cay. Tip number 1, umbrella rental. When you first walk onto the island, this building is where you go to pick up your umbrella rental tickets. You can use these throughout the entire island, anywhere there's an umbrella. You just need to show the ticket. You can purchase these before your trip through the excursions on your MSC app, or you can purchase them here, but it is a bit more expensive, so keep that in mind. Next is transportation. The island is quite big, so there's a lot of walking. You can go to the transportation pavilion and take almost like a golf cart around anywhere in the island, or you can choose to walk like we did when we first got there. Next, we found the buffet was better on the ship. There's a large area for the buffet on Ocean Cay, but the lines got pretty long, so we decided to go back on the ship, cool off in the AC, and grab some lunch at the buffets. There are some quicker options like these snack shacks, but we did find that the buffet on the ship was easy to get back to and the good food. Next is the gift shops. You hit these when you first come onto the island. And I went in, looked around, decided I would stop on the way back to pick up my items I wanted to buy. That was a bad idea. There was barely anyone in these when we first got on the island, as you can see, and when I was leaving, I had to wait in line for almost 40 minutes to get the items I wanted to purchase. So, my tip, get the stuff as soon as you enter the island. Have it done so you're not stuck in those lines at the end of the day. Last, tip number 5, bring goggles. I forgot mine, but there were a lot of people that were using goggles and snorkeling and seeing all the beautiful fish. You can rent these goggles on the excursion part of your app, but it is easier and cheaper just to bring your own. Overall, this island was amazing. These are just a few tips and tricks that I figured out while I was on the island. So let me know in the comments below if you have any tips or tricks that you've discovered on the island of Ocean Cay. I'm going to be doing a dedicated Ocean Cay video coming up this week. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.